In this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Framer. So to do this, first just go and open up Framer, and within Framer, what you want to do is go in the top right to the settings icon, and from here what you can then do is go to domains, and then here in order to connect a custom domain, first you will need to upgrade to a paid plan, as you cannot do this in the free plan. So just go and upgrade to a paid plan and then select that you want to connect your own domain. And then go and enter www.the domain you bought, and then just click on the check mark. And then what you will need to do is point the domain toward Framer. So to do that, go to Namecheap, then go to your account and click dashboard. Then from within your dashboard, go to domain list. And now here what you want to do is go to your domain, click on the drop down, then manage. And then from here you want to go to advanced DNS. And now here just delete the records you have now if you have any. And then first go and click add new record and just add an A record. And then here for host you want to enter this icon, and then they will provide you with an IP address when you are trying to connect it. And then you also want to go to add new record and add a CNAME record. Here you want to enter www, and then they will also provide a target for you. Now this you can just set to automatic, and after entering the IP address and target that Framer gives you, you then want to go and click on save, and after doing that you can check the connection, and it can take a few minutes and even up to 48 hours to fully connect, but once that is done you will have then connected your Namecheap domain to Framer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.